Guys, welcome back to Learn VC. Just a quick video recording. I was thinking about this now. When you're in the administration and you come to the drop point where you realize, hey, I've got no more sandboxes, but I need one of my sandboxes to bring it back, but I need to create a new sandbox to test something different. What do you do? And what we would do normally is we'd actually go in here and delete the sandbox. And so I just got to type the name in and hit delete. Hope that nobody's actually using that right now. And so I'm going to delete the sandbox and it will go into what's called a soft delete. Now, once that's done, for example, just give it a sec. So it takes a minute or two sometimes to actually delete it depending on the size. And so as soon as we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to go and create a new copy and just log into it and make it work. So there we go, our sandbox is gone. We've now got a spare sandbox. I'm going to go into production and create a copy. And let's say it's a sandbox and demo. Or what we could do, we could go back and for some reason you're wanting to spin up. Let's just create this new environment. Just wait for it. I hate this about the administration. There we go. Alright, so we're going to call this demo and I'm going to deploy a sandbox in Australia, but now I can actually push the version, right, or roll back a version going right back to 26.0. So I'll go for 27.3. I've created a brand new sandbox and what it's 10:33 a.m. Well, there we go. So that took about 8 minutes to actually provision up this new sandbox called demo, and I'm just going to go take a look at it now. First I'm loading, we're in, we go do what we want to do, have a field day, install some extensions, test some code, whatever we want. But the problem here is I want to actually get dev back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and delete this. So delete demo and type the name of the environment to delete it. And just give it a minute. There we go. Alright, we've deleted that environment. I'm going to hit recently deleted environments and see what we can do. I can see here the dev. Now you notice it's got like this date back to front on it with a time stamp. And so I can hit the dev sandbox and I'm going to say update settings here, set a window. I'm not going to worry about that. I want to rename it just to dev. And I'm going to recover that. So let's hit recover. This action will recover. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. I'm going to go back into environments. And let's just wait for it to restore. We're still waiting here for the restore. I'll just check where it's up to. I can see that it's still in a recovering state. Just like that, she's now restored. That probably would have taken a good 10 minutes to get that environment restored, but it is exactly the same as it was before we went and deleted it. So if you found these useful, please hit like, share, subscribe, and share that love, and we'll see you in the next video. Good on you.